So now let's discuss another one of my favorite marketing strategies, and probably one of the most important strategies for long-term success in online business: content marketing. Content marketing is when you consistently create valuable content that leads viewers back to your product or service. Over time, you can build up hundreds of videos, blog articles, and other online content that provides you with a steady stream of customers and sales. Content marketing is probably the best method to use in order to build authority in your niche over time. As you create more and more content around your niche, you will build an army of content all over the web that can make you one of the top online resources for your topic. People will begin to associate you and your business with whatever topic you're creating content around. I will sometimes call the style of content marketing I do confetti marketing. This is because I think of the content that I create for my niche as throwing confetti all over the internet. You want your content to show up in as many places online as possible to lead traffic back to your product or business. By using the top keywords from your niche in your content and posting new content frequently onto multiple platforms, you will be much more likely to pop up in search results as people look for your topic online. Every piece of content that you create should be evergreen and organically lead the viewer back to your website or product. When planning your content marketing strategy, you should think about which platforms will be the best to upload for organic traffic. In my opinion, platforms like Facebook are not the best for content marketing. Facebook posts don't seem to rank very well in Google search results and will quickly get lost in people's Facebook news feeds. I like my content to have longevity, and the platforms I like to post my content to are places that rank well in Google, such as my personal website, my blog, and of course YouTube. After you post your content to any of these platforms, it will pretty much live there forever and is much more likely to be displayed when people search for your topic in Google. The goal is to dominate your niche and have valuable content that people are actually searching for. An example content strategy would be to create a blog post or video around your niche 1 to 2 times each week. For content ideas, you can use a site like Quora.com. Quora allows you to search for questions that people are actually asking about various topics. You could simply select a new question each time you're ready to create a new piece of content, answer the question in a blog post or a video, then post it to your website and every other platform where people are actually searching for your topic. Even when I upload a new video to YouTube, I will take that same video and also post it to my website and onto my blog. In order to improve the search ranking for the video, I will also add either a video summary or the actual video script to provide more text to the content, which adds more keywords that users will be searching for online. Each piece of content you create provides another avenue to your business for people searching for your topic. Another great way to get content ideas is to type your topic keywords into the search bar on YouTube or Google and see what pops up in the auto suggestions. This is a great way to see what people are actually searching for regarding your niche. If you're an online course creator and have a published course, you likely have questions that students ask regarding the material. This can be another great source for content, and you can create a piece of content to answer their questions and post it to all platforms where your content lives. Not only will you be answering your students' questions, but likely other people are searching for the answer to the same question, and your content will have a great chance of showing up when they search online. When doing content marketing, the 2 most important things is consistency and using the top keywords in your niche. You can find relevant keywords by using services like Google Keyword Planner, which we went over earlier in the course. So go ahead and brainstorm some content that you can start creating to build your authority in your niche. You want to decide on the best platforms to host your content that will rank well in search results. When starting out, I recommend creating at least 1 piece of content each week. Over time, you will have hundreds or maybe even thousands of articles, blog posts, or videos that lead browsers back to your product or business. In the next lecture, we will go over how to get started with paid advertisements online. I'll see you in the next video.